Now I'm going to show you how to install the arm and the operation name of the dental unit. You will see this is the arm name. This is the arm for the lamp. You need to put this wing through this wire, and this is the pole. Put this through. Yes. Okay. Now he's going to install the arm. First of all, you need to connect this small spare parts. Put it together, connect it together, and then put the wire inside. Okay, now you can see the arm is well installed. Secondly, you will need to assemble this operational lamp. First of all, you need to put on the handle like this way. Yes, put on the handle. Yeah, you can see, you can push and take it out easily. Push the button. Okay. You need to unscrew this first. Put on the wing. Same story. Connect this small parts. You need to screw here. Okay. Now the operational lamp and the arm is well installed.